Abdul alias Minana.
Excuse us.
While appearing at Nakawa Chief Magistrate's Court last month, Semuju Abdul Nur alias Minana, one of the suspects in the murder case of Assistant DPP Joan Namazi Kagezi, alleged to have been tortured by security operatives in a safe house, thus prompting Magistrate Daphne Ayebare not to charge him with offences which led to his arrest.
Just like we had intimated court last week, the accused person Semuju Abdul Nur aka Minana was not in any way tortured. And that explains why his physical body never had any sort of injury. Like you can see him, he looks better than a person who is not in custody. Whatever happened the time when he appeared in court was a complete blackmail to the institution and he was pretending to attract sympathy. Otherwise, when he was brought in custody before from police, was walking. In custody, he was walking. He started now his comedy, his drama, thinking this is a theater, when he was being brought to court. And when he went to prison, he was walking properly. And this explains why in this medical report, Your Worship, which court requested for, on page 2, it is clear that he was alert, in good state of health, standing and walking without any support. So, Your Worship, we pray that this record is cleared, the court record is cleared. Of any blackmail on security institutions for purposes of alleging so many things in the future, including trying to frustrate any trial of this matter. That is our prayer, Your Worship, just to clear the record.
Tawadum, Masibana, Rebecca Panado, Nabuno, Bulaga, Payina. See about what they do with the moon. Masibana, Rebecca Panado, Silabana would do it our Japan, but you put the one up. You might give you a good deal. Sibela ngakho police ngoba ngithagamba izindawo safe house zenjawulo zesimaje zidi mumbuku sibela ngakho police nemu anokuwayiriza police era nsaba kunyama afuna okujjanja mukama wange otiwa mulamuzi sikufunanga ko wadde dakiika nemu.
Minana, who appeared in the same court today with Senior Superintendent of Police Nixon Agasire, basing on the medical report from the prison by Dr. Kagezi, it was confirmed that he wasn't tortured and that he's mentally okay to stand an offense against him.
To make a agenda. Yeah, just you see, this blackmail continues. One, as you can see, he has not specifically informed the court as to why he was tortured. Secondly, this gentleman was properly examined. This is he's also blackmailing this medical officer, Dr. Kajoba Charles Chimuli. Kajoba Charles Chimuli. And this is a report which was made on request by court. So you can imagine how painkillers can heal someone who was not able to walk, to sit and eat just a few days ago. I think this comedy should stop.
I have noted both your submissions.
Basing her ruling on the medical report, court dismissed Minana's allegations, thus charging him with offense of murdering senior DPP Joan Kagezi. Semuju Abdul alias Minana is jointly charged with Senior Superintendent of Police Nixon Agasire for the alleged brutal murder of Assistant DPP Joan Kagezi. Prosecution led by Senior State Attorney Richard Vumbuka informed court that inquiries are still ongoing, thus asking court for more time.
Are still ongoing, but they are progressing well in the right direction. As such, we seek an adjournment to complete the same.
On record, I see a file in the report. Are you receiving this?
No.
Can I have another copy?
Magistrate Daphne Ayebar has adjourned the case to August 3rd, 2025, and the accused have been further remanded to Rizla Government Prison. Trouble for Senior Superintendent of Police Nixon Agasire and Semuju Abdul alias Minana started following the prosecution witness, Ewanukiseka Daniel, who confessed to have participated in the murder of Joan Kagezi. However, upon being prosecution witness, he disclosed to court that Ewan Nixon promised them $200,000 to murder Assistant DPP Joan Kagezi, thus leading to their arrest. Senior Superintendent of Police Nixon Agasire and co-accused Minana, if committed to the International War Crimes Division High Court, they will face these offences with 3 other suspects, Chibuka John, Nasul Abdallah Magonole, and Johnny Masereje, who were already on trial before the same court. The Assistant DPP Joan Kagezi was murdered in cold blood on 30th March 2015 in Ichiwatule Nakawa Division. Joan Namazi Kagezi was the lead prosecutor in the 2010 terrorism case against 14 people who were convicted for being the mastermind of the bombings that happened in Kampala.